Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to attach Google Drive file to your email in a very simple way. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first, you just need to come over into your Gmail and then you just need to compose an email like I'm going to send it to this. And then I'll make a subject like this. And then I will try to insert file using Drive. So if you just click on this Drive icon over here, click on that, and it will automatically redirect you to the Drive. And from here, you can select any of your Drive file, like I'm choosing the Smart Guides. So click on that, add as a link, and you can see it's linked with this email. So now what you're going to do, you can do it with another way. Just simply come over this attached file link over here. And then from here, you just need to select which file you want to attach with this email. So from there, you can attach it with a very simple way. So this way you can insert a Drive link to email in a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.